Showing you how to install this comfy baby Luna cot. Okay, so this is the logo. So we have an unboxing video which we already unboxed all the parts of this baby cot. So this is one side which the logo, there's another one without logo, but as you can see, this one here, this will be inside, this will be outside. Okay, so I put it aside first. So you also have to ensure these two parts, and for this you need to have 16 of this, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and comes with one Allen key. Okay, then 4 legs. This is the base and both sides. Okay, so we will start with putting the legs. So if you can see the leg, there's actually two facing this same side. Okay, so you have to take out one pair like this. Okay, all right, so we will start with the leg for this one. So if you can see, you have to put this one is outside, and the leg will need to be outside. This is how you do it. This one has to be outside like this. Okay, this is how you do. Then put it on the floor. Take this one out. Take two long ones. Again. Okay, this is for the leg. Okay, so this is the outside with the logo. This is the inside. Then do the same with this one. Okay, so just now I said this one is inside, so this part is outside. So when you know this one is outside here, okay, take another two, and so now we have 1 and 2. Okay, but this one will be outside here. This one also will be outside. Okay, good job, stop. Okay, the next one, you will be taking this. Okay, you have to remember this one is without the screw, and the other part come with screw. Okay, so this is the last part. Okay, you just leave this one first, put this one first. It can be any side, whichever is, it can be also this side or this side, whichever is convenient for you. So we will put it aside. you need to take another 2 of this. So you need to get a door, not a door, a wall. Then put it. Okay, that's how you do it. See from here. Facing down. Okay? So this is the downside. Okay? So so sekarang after this you actually have to install this side. This one comes with the logo, okay? It's up to you to. Okay, so you have to make sure this hole and these holes are the same. Then okay. Okay, then you go and look at the base. This is the base. Okay, this is where the base is. So this way down, so this one is down. So you have to put this way up. This is how you install. Okay, so before you put this, you have to know there are actually total of 3 levels here. I want to show you. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, for normally newborn to about 4 months to 6 months, normally use this one. This is about 6 months to 9 months or 10 months. Then when they go older, as a toddler bed. Okay, so normally right now what I'm showing you is the first level first, the highest level, right? So what you can do is this one. Remember this way up. So up. Okay, take 2 this side. The other 2 this side. Okay. So okay. Okay, so see, we are almost done, okay? So we are looking at the last part. This part is actually, we call it a sliding side. Yang you boleh slide up and down. Okay, so, but before that, you have last 4 pieces of this. Then, this one, you boleh guna. Stop already or not? Okay, so the last part is this. This is the sliding part. Kita panggil handrail punya part. But normally what you need to do is you will try to open this up first. Bagi dia ada sikit gap. Okay, so what you can see here, this is the part. Okay, this is the side. This is bawah, down. This is up. Okay, but this is the plastic side. Plastic side is actually outside. So this is how you do it. So you masuk melalui lubang ini dulu. Okay, and this one. Okay, so this is how it is. Then this one, ketatkan. Make sure this is tight. And this one, also you have to make sure it's tight. Same goes to this side. Make sure it is tight. Then done. Okay, this is how you lift it up, push it up, down. See? Alright. We will install the mosquito net next. Okay. Because the mattress is very easy, you open up and you just put it there. Alright, so this one, open it up for the mosquito net. Okay, you see this, and this is the mosquito net. Okay, so we put it. And the leg. This one is the mosquito leg. So you can see this one is like this. So you can see this is like a puzzle type. One. Okay, then this is the head. Okay, so most of the time you install at the middle. This is the middle. Okay. You need to make sure it is tight. Right? Okay. Last part here. You see this round thing here? Okay. This is like macam pakai penggantin punya head tu. It's the same thing, okay? So actually you kena buat okay, sorry. Before that, I think it's better for you to take this one down. Tapi kalau tak ada, then you have to Make sure. So you can see this one got the elastic part. Elastic part, you have to make sure you, oops, get inside. You put it in like this, okay? So put this one and this is the kepala. Tu. This how this. Okay, a lot of people will be wondering why this mosquito net is actually all the way to the floor, macam ini. One of the reasons is because nyamuk and all those insects, they fly actually. Okay, they can fly anywhere. They can fly here, they can fly here, they can fly from here, they can fly from here, they can fly from here. So that's the reason why dia macam ini sampai ke bawah. Okay, so what you need to do, there's actually macam pelamin, was it? So you can actually open up. This is how you can actually access to your baby. You can keluarkan this one turun. Then the last one for this package, it comes with the mattress. 4 inch tapi macam dia sangat-sangat compressed. You see, that's their compressed. Okay, so it make it very easy for you to kita untuk deliver actually, right? So open here. This is the one. It is actually pack it, compress it nicely. So what you need to do is open up. Right, there's another layer of plastic here. Okay, then this one you have to open it up using dengan dia punya. Look. You see, amazing. Dia macam sudah transform, right? Right now is 4 inches. Can you imagine just now? This one was inside here. Okay? Alright. So just masukkan. This is the comfy baby cot.